welcome back to my channel. I'm Dmitry Finashkin and today I'll share a complete roadmap on how you can become a professional Java developer starting from absolute scratch in 2025. Java remains one of the most in-demand programming languages, especially for backend development, Android apps, and enterprise applications. If you are thinking about becoming a Java developer or transitioning into software development, this detailed guide is perfect for you. Stick around until the end because I'll also share some crucial tips and common pitfalls to avoid on your journey. Let's get started. First, let's quickly discuss why you should even choose Java in 2025. First of all, Java is a highly versatile, powerful, and mature programming language. It's been around for decades, which means it has a massive community, extensive documentation, and great career opportunities worldwide. Java runs billions of devices globally, from enterprise servers to Android smartphones. Personally, I have spent more than 10 years coding professionally in Java, and I can confirm it remains incredibly relevant and well paid in the job market. Choosing Java is choosing stability, versatility, and excellent career potential. The second step is about setting realistic learning goals. Becoming a professional Java developer doesn't happen overnight, and it's crucial to manage your expectations. Define clear goals such as within 3 months mastering basic Java syntax, OOP concepts, and building small projects. Then, within next 6 months, aim to confidentially create Java-based web applications using frameworks like Spring Boot. Finally, within a year, you should target landing your first job or internship as a junior Java developer. Clear goals will keep you motivated, focused, and organized throughout your learning journey. The third step is mastering Java fundamentals, and I really emphasize mastering, not just superficially learning. Start with Java basics, variables, data types, loop, conditionals, arrays, and methods. Practice extensively until you feel very comfortable. Then, move on to core object-oriented concepts: classes, objects, inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction, and polymorphism. You need to fully understand these concepts because they form the backbone of Java development. Great resources include tutorials on YouTube, like my channel. Don't rush this stage. Deep understanding on fundamentals make advanced topics easier. Step 4 involves familiarizing yourself with crucial Java tools and technologies that professional developers use daily. You must know build tools such as Maven or Gradle, which help manage dependencies and automate your build process. Next, learn a version control system. Git is industry standard. Understand how Git works, including branching, merging, and resolving conflicts. Then, familiarize yourself with integrated development environment. My favorite is IntelliJ IDEA, but for example, Eclipse is also good enough. A professional Java developer must be efficient with these tools to maximize productivity. Step 5 is diving into Java web development frameworks, especially Spring and Spring Boot. Spring Boot simplifies web application creation, database integration, security, and more. Start by building a simple REST API, like a basic root application that interacts with the database. Gradually add layers of complexity such as validation, authentication, and integration with external APIs. Practice by replicating popular real-world apps or services, which greatly boosts your practical knowledge. Spring Boot projects in your GitHub portfolio demonstrate real-world skills to potential employers. Finally, step 6 is about creating your professional portfolio, as I mentioned above, and gaining practical coding experience. Build several diverse practical projects like an e-commerce website, blog platform, or API integrations and host them on GitHub. Your GitHub profile is your best resume as a developer. Next, start looking for junior positions or internships even if you are not fully confident. Real world experience teaches you things tutorials simply can't, right? Join online communities, attend coding meetups, or find an experienced mentor who can guide you through your first job interviews. Network actively. Your professional connections significantly boost your chances of getting your first developer job. As promised, here are my bonus tips and common pitfalls. Tip number one, be consistent and patient. Learn and practice a little every day rather than cramping once a week. Tip number two, never hesitate to ask for help when stuck. Use Stack Overflow, join Java chats, Discord servers, or Telegram groups. Pitfalls to avoid include rushing through fundamentals, neglecting your portfolio, and avoiding practical coding. Remember, learning to code is about practice, not theory alone. Alright, that's my complete step-by-step roadmap on becoming a professional Java developer from scratch in 2025. I hope you found this guide helpful and motivating. Tell me in the comments, are you learning Java right now? What challenges do you face and how do you overcome them? Also, if you have additional questions, please ask. I'm always happy to help. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and click the notification bell to support the channel. Thanks for watching, keep coding, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.